Air conditioning repair. There are few things more frustrating than being stuck in an office or home with an AC unit that isn't working. A clogged drain or dirty air filter could be the problem. It is safer and smarter to call a professional than to try to fix the problem yourself. Atlas Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated offers fast, reliable service and guarantees every customer's satisfaction. Atlas Heating and Air is committed to helping our customers live healthier and more comfortable lives. We will not recommend any repair that isn't necessary to maintain your system. Regular maintenance, at minimum once per year, can improve the efficiency of your system and prolong its life expectancy. Call us today to schedule an AC repair appointment. Atlas Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated, 411 Beverly Rd Augusta, Georgia 30907, 706-855-7921 www.atlasaugusta.com